So I bought this Mazda Speed 3, and the door lock buttons don't work. And as much as I would like some random crackhead hopping in my car and being my passenger princess, I kinda don't want that.
Are you sure about that?
So I'm gonna fix this. First things first, you gotta pop off this plastic panel here. Then you take off this screw. And then you jam a screwdriver in the top or something, grab the door handle and wiggle that thing out. There's an electrical connector behind here, so just wiggle that thing out. And then there's going to be two Phillips heads on the back of the door lock button. Just get a short stubby screwdriver and get those things out, and then voila, you have your door lock button. Now at this point you could buy a new one and replace it and life will be good. But you know what, I'm me. This took me 14 minutes, and this trim tool I got off Amazon that I subsequently returned because it was useless was not very helpful. Eventually I got it apart after breaking two of the clips, and once you get that apart, you're going to grab a Q-tip, dip it in some isopropyl alcohol, then you're going to gently clean the electrical parts and all the connectors and blah blah blah, and then just reassemble. Reassembly is the exact same steps but in reverse order, and don't be stupid like me and drop the screw into your door. Oh my god. No! And that's it, my door buttons work now, so yippee.